Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best settings for TCP Optimizer. So for that, let's go. So open the app. You can download the TCP Optimizer from any website. Search TCP Optimizer and you will find. Once you have opened the app, wait for a minute. So make sure you are opening the app by pressing right click and then run as administrator. Okay, then choose the option optimal on the bottom and press apply change, then press OK. Wait for a few minutes. A reboot option will be appear, then reboot your computer. Okay, now you can see on the top there is a bar which is showing 10 Mbps. When you will start it for the first time, it will be locked on 10. So give it to the maximum 100 plus Mbps. Okay. Then go to the MTU latency option on the top. Then you can choose any of the server, the Google server, and search for the largest MTU. Wait until the test has complete. You can see the test is currently running. So let's wait for a few minutes or few seconds. Okay, the test has completed. My MTU is 1452 bytes. Okay, now go back to the general settings and then choose custom, then change the MTU which was we got from the test. Okay, now on the side you can see the network adapter. Make sure it is on PCB on the main network adapter controller you're using. Make sure that one is on it. And then now on the bottom you can see TCP Windows Auto Tune, Windows Scaling, congested control provider. Just do what I am doing. Then go to advanced settings. So give the settings as you can see on the display. So just match the settings with your PC, and once you have completed all the settings, just apply and change. Once you have pressed apply and change, again a reboot option will occur, then press reboot. This was the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video.